Hello, this is Hannah Fisher, and I am doing the data collection video part 2. As usual, my topic is, does yoga help students perform better in school? So we will be exploring the relationship between students who practice yoga for 30 minutes each morning to students who do not and their academic performances. So the three different categories that we will be doing our selection in is design for differences. We will compare the average reading comprehension test 3 scores between all second grade classrooms in our school. The 2 highest classes will be chosen, random selection. In our school, there are 75 third graders total. I will randomly select 20 of those students for my study. And then random assignment. Using the 20 randomly selected students, I will randomly assign each student to the control group or the experimental group. So here is design for differences. So step number 1, I will gather all the test scores from the reading comprehension test 3 by each of the 5th grade classrooms. Step 2, I will then choose the 2 highest scoring classroom averages, which ended up being Class B with a 94 and Class E with a 93, and they will both be in my study. Now that I have the 2 classes, I randomly selected Class B to participate in 30 minutes of morning yoga in their classroom. Class E will not participate in yoga. After 2 weeks, it is time for test number 4. Class B and Class E will have their test scores averaged. The results will help us determine if 30 minutes of yoga improved Class B's performance on the test. Random selection. In our school, there are a total of 75 students who are in 3rd grade. For this study, I will add their names to an online name generator, for example, wheelofnames.com, and spin the wheel until I have 20 students. Then, the 20 students will be randomly assigned the control or experimental group, and this one leads directly into our next one, random assignment. Of the 20 students who have been randomly selected for my study, I will assign 10 students to Group A, the control group, and 10 students to Group B, the experimental group. The experimental group are the students who will participate in 30 minutes of yoga each day. The control group will not participate in daily yoga. To randomly assign these students to Group A or B, I will write their names on a piece of paper and then randomly draw out 10 names. The first 10 names I draw will be Group A, the control group. After 2 weeks, I will then assess the most recent reading comprehension test and see which grouping had a higher average. Thank you so much for listening.